In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset in order to remove the screen lock. So, as you can see, this device has a screen lock, and normally if you try to put the device off to get access to the recovery mode, you will get this message. Basically, draw a pattern to turn off phone. So what you want to do is hold volume down and power key simultaneously till the screen turns off, and then immediately switch to holding power up and home button. So just gonna start holding the volume down and power key. So volume down, power, just light up the screen so it's actually visible. Now we all see it taking a screenshot, just keep on holding. And now that it has switched, immediately start holding volume up, power key and home button, and you'll see this. Give it a moment. And now that you see the Android logo, you can press the power key and volume, or hold power key and press volume up, like so. Give it a moment, and as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, what you want to do is scroll down using volume up and down, selecting wipe data factory reset, and confirm it with the power key, and then once more select yes, and now the process will begin removing all personal data from the device. Okay, so once more tap power key to reboot system now, and it will continue in the background now. Okay, and as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. So I'm just gonna go through a fairly quick setup just to demonstrate that there is no more lock screen. And as you can see, the device is fully reset and there is no more screen lock, and you can use the device freely. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.